I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you. Without you.
Happy birthday, Mase! Okay na sa amin ang pizza blowout from Resorts World. Mase, masaya kami dahil ikaw na ang girl ni Megoy. You're such a big blessing to him. Happy birthday again! God bless you!
If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you. Without you, I can't look. I'm so blind. I lost my heart. I lost my mind without you.
Hi Marcy, happy birthday. Wish ko sana good health ka. At the same time, sana lagi mong iingatan yung sarili mo dyan. At huwag mo sana kakalimutan na mag-pray. At isipin mo lang na darating yung time na mas magkakasama pa tayo ng mas matagal. At hindi lang porket birthday mo, hindi ko to ginawa para lang sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita, kundi buong puso ko na pagmamahal para sa'yo. Promise yan.